Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Salesforce Lightning for lead management, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Salesforce Lightning experience. Locate the app launcher, which is represented by a grid icon in the upper left corner. Click on the app launcher to open it. Search for leads in the app launcher search bar. Select leads from the search results. This will take you to the Leads tab in Salesforce. In the Leads tab, you will see an option to create a new lead. Click the New button to open the lead creation form. Fill in the required fields, such as first name, last name, company, and email. For better organization, consider adding additional details like their phone number or lead source. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click Save to create the lead. You can view the newly created lead in your leads list. To manage your leads effectively, you can use the lead views. Click on the drop-down menu next to Recently Viewed. Save the view to start using it for better lead management. Next, familiarize yourself with the lead record page. Click on a lead's name to open their detailed record. Here, you'll find important information like activity history and notes. Use the Log a Call feature to document interactions. You can also add tasks, events, or attachments to the lead record. Setting up lead assignment rules enhances your lead management. Go to Setup by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Lead Assignment Rules. Click on Lead Assignment Rules to access the setup page. Select New to create a new assignment rule. Name the rule and define the criteria for lead assignments. Save the rule after configuring the necessary settings. Next, explore the lead stages to track your lead's progress. Go to Setup and type Lead Settings in the Quick Find box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.